This is not. Oh yeah, I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it.
Let's see one of those
You
chunks.
know what I always do, don't you, buddy?
What?
I always do.
Let's see one of those chunks.
Whoa. You know what I always do, right?
What?
When was the last time your mom let you have a mohawk?
Oh. You could have a rockin' mohawk with all that hair.
You want a mohawk for a day in Vegas?
No.
How about a warhawk?
How about a warhawk or a rat tail like Bryce Harper?
Oh.
You see Bryce Harper's?
Can we give you a mohawk just to send to your mom and say, here's Josh's new do?
Okay.
Just to give her a heart attack?
Slick, huh?
Yeah, it's awesome.
Honey, do you want to save that in a bag and glue it to your head?
Yeah.
We can make a nice little rug for you.
Hey, what are you guys doing?
Josh is getting his hair cut.
Whoa.